Hey everyone, welcome back. So I have another unboxing to do with you guys. This is also through the Amazon Associates program. This is a company called Terviiix. Terviiix. It's honestly such a beautiful box. I really love this color. This is probably one of my favorite colors. Obviously, you guys can tell I did a what's in my bag. I've done so many things that I bought with the same color idea, and I love it. So yeah, what do you call it? So they send this to me in the mail, and we're gonna unbox it together. And honestly, I'm excited to use this because I've never used this company before, and I've seen a lot of these things like in other companies, but I've always wanted to try. So they were nice enough to send this to me. You unbox it from there. Oh, look how pretty. It says Terviiix Ionic hair straightener brush. Sorry, I can't read. I haven't had my coffee today. So here, you pull it out like that. Ooh, ooh. Oh, all right. So it obviously comes with a straightener. That's a very thick freaking wire. Wow. I like that. It comes with a carrying case, which I don't have. And it comes with two of the clips to clip back your hair. And excuse my hair for looking like crap, but obviously I'm doing my hair today with this. So let's get it done. I just did my makeup, so I'm just moving everything aside. And I'm letting the setting spray set in a little bit better. All right, so here we go. Look how pretty. That's pretty. Okay, so this is Velcro, which I do love. Unplug that there. Undo that there. Take the plastic protection thing off. Let's plug it in into my wall here. Okay, now it says the on button. Oh no, did I say off? There we go. I put it on and then it's starting to load. Okay, so while that's doing that, let's section off the hair. This is a mess. I can't believe I'm on camera doing this, but yeah, this is a mess. So let's pull this back. Let go. Okay, so now it says it's ready. It literally says it right down here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It says ready and the bars are full. I always do the highest heat because I can. And yes, I already did everything to it. Oh, that's hot. Let's put it this way. I know you guys can see the grays. Don't judge. Wow. Okay. Interesting. And this is the first time I've ever used this, so if I'm using it wrong, I'm sorry. Back this up a little bit too. I like it because it brushes and straightens at the same time. Interesting. I'm going to do this side too. And then I'm going to, when you can straighten, it's very easy. Beautiful. Very nice. I know my daughter was dying to steal this from me. And I'm like, listen, little girl. She's almost 13. She'll be 13 next month. She wants to steal everything I own. I want to see how it does with like thicker hair, like a thick chunk of hair. Okay. Did it go through? Oh, it did. Okay. Okay, we'll break it up now because I want to give this an actual chance. Okay. There we go. I do this downward so I can have more of body kind of situation going on here. There we go. Oh, can't see, but I can see. Yes, I need to dye my hair. I know. I'm just letting my hair grow out just a little bit more so I can dye it and give it a better job. That makes any sense to you guys? Oh, just scratched the crap out of my nose. Okay. I want to see if I can get this to get upwards towards body-wise. Like, Very nice. That's a lot of freaking body. Holy shit. Sorry if I curse, I apologize. Okay. Wow, that's really shiny. I like that. That's really shiny. I like that a lot. And there you go. Straight here. Very pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that shine. Very pretty. I love it. That's so pretty. All right, well, thank you to Terviiix for sending this out to me. I really, really actually love the product. I just need a little bit more time with this to get used to it. But I love the fact that you could push it to the root and push away from your root in order to get a lot more body. Like, this is beautiful. I love it. Look how shiny it is. I am so happy with this. Big time. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you again, guys, for watching. Oh, and the links will be in my, link tree. So, by all means. This is another view of it. How pretty. Look at that. Look at all that body. That's beautiful. Wow. I love it. Thank you.